Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basic Account Trading. It is Tuesday, January 16th, and we're going to take a look once again at one of the trades from the trading room today. This is also an alert from the MOA, Momentum Options Alert Service, and it was in NVDA. It was probably our biggest winner today. NVDA and AMD both played out really well, and I'll show you what the AMD setup was here in just a minute as well. But you can see at 8:26 this morning, the email came out from Momentum Options Alerts. There was two setups, one in Microsoft, which didn't trigger because it gapped too far. It needed to open up around 389, and it opened all the way up near the target, so no trade on Microsoft. However, NVIDIA played out beautifully. So we said NVIDIA was bullish above 550.50 with an initial target of 555 or 30% on the options, whichever came first, valid today only. So it needed to trigger today and needed to go above 550.50, and then our first target was 55, and then we were looking for that push to 60 if you're in the trading room, and then 65 is the other one we talked about. And they both played out beautifully. You can see NVIDIA just opened and straight up here, just ripped above that, and we're currently just sitting at 562.37. So we made well over 30% on the options, depending on where you exited and which options you were trading. We also hit your price target, so it played out really well. Since December, which is the last time I ran a promotion for Momentum Options Alerts, we've had a 83% win rate with 30% average gain and 20% average loss. So 1.5 to 1 reward risk ratio on MOA. And every single one of these trades is documented and sent out to the subscribers. Now, along the same lines with MOA, in the trading room, we also talked about another setup, and that was AMD. In AMD, we said it's a potential swing trade. As soon as we got through the pivot high resistance up at 151.05. So we said above 151.05, we should see this push higher. We actually had a 155 target for today. It obviously went way past that, and semis were just on the tear today, so AMD and NVIDIA both just through the roof. We went all the way up to our secondary target, which was 160. Now we're just kind of dancing around at the 156.75, 156 3/4 area, but played out really well. And again, this is one that we talked about in the trading room, and we timed it with a 5-minute bull flag for the entry, so you had much lower risk, which gave it a really attractive reward risk ratio overall. Played out beautifully, worked out really well. But with that being said, that is it for today. So great job for those of you that are in MOA or that were in the trading room. They both played out really well with those setups. And remember, all it takes, we're really only after 1 or 2 good trades a day. You get 1 or 2 good trades a day, you're good. You don't overtrade. You can be done many times before noon. And then we just take it from there and look for new opportunities after that. But you want to make sure when you do have your really good trades that happen first thing in the morning like this, like we did with AMD and NVIDIA, you don't want to give back your gains and force trades in the afternoon. One mistake I see a lot of people doing, especially new traders, is they have a really good morning, and then by that afternoon when the market's closed, they've given back all the gains and more, and they went from having a good up day to even a down day. So don't do that. Be patient, slowly scale up over time, have vertical growth. Again, you only need 1 or 2 trades a day. You don't need to have 50 trades a day to make a lot of money. But that's it for now. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy trading, everybody.